Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. Welcome to Creating Lifestyle. So today, after very long time, I'm back with another review of this brand called Fruit Pure Roots, and this is the fruit cream with fruit extract and vitamin E. So Pure Roots is a herbal brand and is quite well known, but the main problem with their products is that they are not easily available everywhere. So yeah, their online availability is also very rare. So in fact, they are very affordable and they work pretty well. Only availability might be an issue. Okay, so yeah, I'm back with this. This is a fruit cream from Pure Roots with fruit extracts and vitamin E. So this is what it claims. It is enriched with natural fruits and floral extracts. Pure root fruits cream stimulates collagen synthesis in the skin, restructures skin epidermis, reduces wrinkles and under eye dark circles, makes skin firm and elastic, thus giving a radiant and youthful skin. Okay. Now, what does it contain? You can see the ingredients. It contains water, aqua water, vitamin E, glycerin, and fruit extract. I don't know it is the full ingredient list or not, but this is what it says. And this is 90 ml of product for rupees 80, which is quite affordable. Okay, so yeah, let us just open this. So this is what the product looks like. It's in a very cute packaging, and the packaging is really appealing and very good. It has an inner heat protection thing. This is what it looks like. It's a bit thick in consistency. The oily skin beauties better stay away from it. It's a bit thick. Now it smells really good. It is a bit on the oily side. It blends easily. You can use it as a night cream for winters also. It's a good thing. It says collagen synthesis. Stimulates collagen synthesis. If it does, it will firm your skin down. So yeah, my take on this is that oily skin beauties can stay away as it is very thick cream. Dry skin can use this. It will moisturize and nourish your skin very well, and it is very affordable and fragrance is also very good. Pure Roots is a herbal brand. They claim they are herbal. So yeah, you can give it a take. Thank you for watching.